day one of medicine, so each has good.
How long has this place been closed for? Oh my god, look at the amount of flies. Chilling with my moths. My only friends at uni.
That is not a good start.
So we are done with our 2 lectures, first day back. It was a bit dead though, but
Just a bit.
tomorrow is going to be really busy. 5 lectures, 9 till 4. I'm a really boring vlogger.
It's important that they know.
Pre-reading should not take this long. It's been over an hour and I'm still on this one lecture which I haven't finished yet, so I think I'm basically just teaching this entire lecture to myself. Like, I'm literally writing stuff down, trying to memorize it. And I've got like 4 more lectures to go. So I've just finished going over this lecture and 16 pages worth of notes on this lecture, and I am so tired. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go take a break now. I am not wifey material.
Oops.
We don't know how to borrow a book, and we've been here for a year.
You need a keyboard to press, don't you? I don't know if
Please,
it's
please. Your logo. Check out.
Oh.
What's my pin?
Oh, great.
I didn't know.
Well, obviously, scanned. Checking his charges.
Oh, flip, I need to pay that.